Welcome back, car enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore the ins and outs of RaceTrade.com, the ultimate car classifieds listing website. Whether you're searching for your dream ride or looking to sell your current vehicle, this step-by-step guide will make your experience a breeze. So, let's dive right in. How to use RaceTrade.com. First things first, let's learn how to navigate RaceTrade.com and make the most of its features. When you land on the homepage of RaceTrade.com, you'll notice a section showcasing the website's featured listings. These are the cream of the crop, so to speak. To search through these listings, simply scroll through the carousel or click on the listings to view more. Trust me, you'll find some real gems here. Now, let's say you're looking for a specific category of vehicles. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a navigation bar. Click on the desired category, whether it's sedans, SUVs, sports cars, or anything in between. This will take you to a dedicated category page where you can review all the listings available for that particular category. Once you find a listing that catches your eye, it's time to dig deeper. Clicking on a listing will take you to its dedicated page, where you'll find detailed information about the vehicle. Take your time to read through the specifications, browse the photo gallery, and even watch any attached videos. This way, you'll get a comprehensive understanding of what's on offer. To get started, locate the Sell a Vehicle button on the homepage or within your user dashboard. Clicking on it will open up a form where you can provide all the necessary details about your vehicle. Fill in information such as listing name, category, vehicle details, upload pictures and videos, and don't forget to specify your general location. You can also add optional details to make your listing stand out from the crowd. Once everything is complete, hit that submit button. Now that you know how to create a listing, it's time to master the art of finding the perfect car on RaceTrade. To begin your search, head over to the listings page. From there, you can use the various filters available to narrow down your options. Filter by make, model, year, price range, and more. Communication is key, especially when it comes to sealing the deal. We'll cover how to send messages and reply to inquiries on RaceTrade. When you find a listing that piques your interest, you can easily contact the seller. On the listing page, locate the Send Message button, click on it, and type your comment or inquiry. Hit that Send button, and your message will be on its way to the seller. To manage your messages efficiently, head over to your user dashboard. There, you'll find a dedicated messages section. Clicking on it will open up your inbox, where you can review all the messages you've sent and received. Stay organized and keep the conversation flowing. Last but not least, let's talk about keeping your profile up to date. Your user profile on RaceTrade is your personal touchpoint with potential buyers or sellers. To update your profile picture and details, simply navigate to your user dashboard, locate the profile section, and make the desired changes. A captivating picture and accurate information will make you stand out among the crowd. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to use RaceTrade.com, the go-to car classifieds listing website. Whether you're searching for your next set of wheels or ready to part ways with your current ride, RaceTrade.com has got you covered. Race, trade, and win.